Welcome to the next section of the course, AWS Direct Connect. In this section, we will cover AWS Direct Connect, which makes it easy to establish a dedicated connection between AWS and organization resources. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with Introduction to AWS Direct Connect. In this video, we will discover answers and solutions for many queries related to AWS Direct Connect. AWS Direct Connect provides a facility to create a dedicated network private connectivity connection between AWS and a traditional data center or on-premise network or co-location environment. The very first question should be, why is it required when we can access AWS resources over the Internet? The answer to this question is, it is used to transfer data without using the public Internet. It provides secure and consistent network. A high bandwidth network connection between on-premise network and single or multiple VPCs is available in AWS. The next question is about capacity, right? So the answer is, it provides 1 gigabyte per second and 10 gigabytes per second connections. Also, the compatibility with AWS services are defined with Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, Amazon Simple Storage Service. Now another question is, how does it work? The on-premise router and the AWS Direct Connect router are connected with a cable. A virtual interface is created to AWS services. AWS Direct Connect location gives you access to AWS. To use AWS Direct Connect, we need to follow a few steps. Firstly, finalize AWS Direct Connect location, connections, port sizes. Then create your connection requests from AWS Management Console. After that, select an APN partner supporting Direct Connect or a network carrier. If the connection request is confirmed, download your Letter of Authorization, Connection Facility Assignment, LOA, CFA. Post that, we need to provide the LOA CFA to an APN partner or a network carrier or service provider. Lastly, we will use the AWS Management Console to configure one or more virtual instances to establish network connectivity. In this video, we covered the basic introduction of AWS Direct Connect.